Here's a 2012 Lexus RX 450h. This hybrid is sophistication sharpened and luxury transformed. The untamed elegance will take you away. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power tilt-down heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, AM/FM Sirius XM satellite radio, auto dimming mirrors, power tilting steering column, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Car and Driver reports the hybrid model is particularly well sorted out, and both RXs are easier to use as mind-numbing commute erasing devices than they were before. Even as enthusiasts, we have to admit there are plenty of days when such a device would come in handy. Lexus, a lifestyle that leaves a lasting impression. Hurry in today and see it for yourself. Your satisfaction is our goal. We're conveniently located at 2375 County Road 10 in Mounds View, Minnesota.